Welcome to the October market update for the Austin area. My name is James Deloney. Welcome to my channel, Real Texas Homes. Here on the channel, I cover everything related to the Austin metro area real estate market. In today's video, I want to cover the most recent statistics just released by the Austin Board of Realtors. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you some reasons for optimism, both for buyers and sellers as we move to the end of 2024. The median sales price in the city of Austin was $580,000. That's up almost 2% from the same time last year. Closed sales down 12% relative to the same time last year. So we do see a housing market continuing to struggle against the affordability challenge that's been a headwind for the market. But some positive signs were pending sales were actually up 9% relative to the same time last year. This was driven by low mortgage rates. Mortgage rates in early September were the lowest level in over 2 years, in the low 6% range, and that brought a lot of buyers off the sidelines. So a lot of contracts were written in September, resulting in pending sales being up relative to the same time last year. New listings are down 3% relative to the same time last year. Active listings up just over 16%. We currently have almost 15,000 residential listings in our MLS, which is the highest number for the month of September on record. Average days on market, 75 days. That's 15 days more than last year. Average close price to list price, 92%, same as last year. So on average, buyers are getting an 8% discount off of list price. So to summarize this market update, we find ourselves in a balanced market with opportunities for buyers and sellers. For buyers, we find ourselves with the highest amount of inventory that we've seen in many years, with mortgage rates below 7%. And if the Feds lower rates again to close the year out, and we see mortgage rates come back down, buyers are going to have the perfect storm of low competition, very high inventory, and some of the lowest mortgage rates that we've seen in several years. If you're a seller, we saw in September when mortgage rates got into that low 6% range, buyers came off the sidelines and entered into the market. We saw a big uptick in the number of contracts that were written in September. So if we see the Fed's lower rates and mortgage rates come back down to that low 6% range, we should expect the same thing to happen. Buyers come off the sidelines. So it would be a great opportunity as a seller to take advantage of that uptick in buyer activity. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in the Austin metro area, would love the opportunity to connect with you and discuss your specific goals. So give me a call. My contact information is pinned in the comments section. If you've enjoyed the video, we'd appreciate it if you leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. That way we can keep you up to date with all the latest happenings in the Austin metro area real estate market. Thanks again for your support, and until next time, make it a great one.